Respect for women and men is at the heart of Vallourec's values and our duty. At Vallourec, we believe this respect begins with health and safety. We believe we all have the right to health and safety. We are committed to providing a safe and healthy working environment and ensuring physical and mental well-being. That is why we are fully determined to become world best in class in health and safety and to achieve our 2030 objectives. Zero life-changing event, TRIR less than 0.2, zero occupational disease. We are convinced that no task is so urgent we cannot take the time to perform our work safely. If we want to make it home, we first have to make it safe. This is how we work. We all share this responsibility. We look out for each other. It is the best way to get back to those we care about, and it can only happen if we do it together, if we are committed together, if we are responsible together. Because together, we are safer. Spread the word. Together, we are safer.